Greetings viewer. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to type a program that would omit the spaces in a string entered by the user, and we will enter any other character instead of that. You can pause the video here and try it on your own. So let us get started. First, we will ask the user to enter any sentence. To display the final sentence without space, we define another empty string as final equal to empty quotes. Now we will have to check each character of the sentence for spaces, so we write for I in str colon. If I double equal to space, then final equal to final plus hyphen. For the else part, we write else final equal to final plus I. So basically this loop will check each character in the list, and according to the condition it satisfies, that is, if it is equal to space, then it will add a hyphen instead of it. Else it will simply add the character to the string named as final. Now to print the sentence without spaces, we write print brackets final. Now if we write a sentence and press enter, we can see that instead of the space, hyphen is printed. Well, hyphen is not compulsory, we can use any other symbol or character. So that was all for today. Hope you loved watching the video. If you liked it, then press the like button and also share the video with your friends. If you are new, then take a moment to subscribe to the channel like I am doing it at the rightmost corner of the screen. Thanks again for watching.